What happens when you walk barefoot from the swimming pool onto a section of sun-baked pavement? Ouch! The soles of your feet burn, and you might start to hop up and down and then quickly scamper away to a cooler, shaded spot of ground. What happened? Thanks specialized cells. Networks of connected cells called neurons make up your body's electrical or nervous system. This system works to communicate messages such as "Quick, move off the hot pavement." Cells of the nervous system, specifically neurons, possess special features and a unique shape, both of which suit them for their job in communication, or as scientists like to put it, structure determines function. Neurons have long, spindly extensions called axons that carry electrical and chemical messages. These messages convey information to your brain. The ground is burning hot, and responses back from the brain. Pick up your foot. To transmit these messages, charged particles, primarily sodium ions, jet across the nerve cell membrane, creating an electrical impulse that speeds down the axon. When the electrical impulse reaches the end of the axon, it triggers the neuron to release a chemical messenger called a neurotransmitter. That passes the signal to a neighboring nerve cell. This continues until the message reaches its destination, usually in the brain, spinal cord, or muscle. Most neurons can convey messages very fast because they are electrically insulated with a fatty covering called myelin. Myelin is formed by Schwann cells, of one of the many types of glial cells that supply, support, and nutrition to nerve cells. Nerve cells coated with myelin transmit messages at a speed of 250 miles per hour. Plenty of time for the message to get to your brain and to warn you to lift your foot before it burns. One reason why young children are at a high risk for burning themselves is because the neurons in children's bodies do not become fully coated with myelin until they are about 10 years old. That means it is dangerously long for a message like "the stove is hot" to reach a children's young brains, to tell them to pull their hands away.